you!
It is opening night of Midsummer Scream here at the Long Beach Convention Center. 3 days of everything Halloween and horror. All the big theme parks are here at Universal Studios Hollywood with their Horror Nights presentation. Knott's Scary Farm, Six Flags with their Fright Fest Extreme, 13th Floor Entertainment, Winchester House, Castle Dark. Lionsgate is doing a walkthrough, a horror maze. Absolutely fantastic. There's going to be slider shows, photo ops, so much to see and do. Let's head on in. We are heading into Lionsgate Gears of Fear. Let's go.
Honored guests of Midsummer Scream, the game is about to begin. You are invited to the Gears of Fear, a tribute to the iconic horror films of Lionsgate. Brave through the bone-telling encounters of the Strangers, Chapter 1. The dark mine shafts of My Bloody Valentine, the countless terrors of Cabin in the Woods, the evils from Never Let Go, the dark world of the Crow, and the adrenaline-filled moments of Saw. The squeaking gears, the dim corners, the threats and the whispers, the agonized screams, are all attributed to the fear that Lionsgate has instilled. Remember, your choices will lead you inside, but will they lead you out? The game begins. Honored guests of Midsummer Scream, the game is about to begin. You are invited to the Gears of Fear, a tribute to the iconic horror films of Lionsgate. Brave through the bone-telling encounters of the Strangers, Chapter 1. The dark mine shafts of My Bloody Valentine, the countless terrors of Cabin in the Woods, the evils from Never Let Go, the dark world of the Crow.
Next up, the Elizondo Haunt. And then after that, we're going over to the Drake Society. No, sorry.
I'm a little short on bail. I'm getting short about things.
Oh, literally short. That was absolutely fantastic. And they used to be in Simi Valley. Now they're in Canoga Park. So if you're in the Valley, Ventura County, check them out.
are you doing to my ship? No, wait!
How can I get you over like this? He's the best all around.
Oh, man, he's right behind you, dude. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Oh, this one too. He gonna get you. But you can pick my buddy over there. He's my best friend. Come on in, come on in. I know it's a little messy.
Alright guys, this is the fan interactive show right here, so it's up to you guys. What do you guys want to see? We're going to either see limbo or jumps. It's up to you guys. Make some noise. Do you want to see limbo? Make some noise. Do you guys want to see some jumps? Make some noise.
That is it. Opening night of Midsummer Scream 2024 here at the Long Beach Convention Center. If you could make it out tonight, don't worry. It's open all day tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. If you can't make it out this year, it's always usually the last weekend of July, somewhere towards the end of July. The dates change a little bit, but always around that time. You'll see how much fun it is. All these haunted attractions, panels, presentations. We didn't even get into the exhibit hall tonight. So much to do. You can't do it in one day. You've got to get that weekend pass. So come on out. Check the website because I know some days were sold out. Some of the tickets were sold out. I don't know what the update is as of right now because I've been inside since late this afternoon. So check the website. And again, if you can't make it this year, we'll see you next year. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. And follow us on social media as we'll be at all of these events this Halloween season, starting with Oogie Boogie Bash in just a couple weeks at DCA.